Urhere is the modern online rostering and time and attendance platform for any size business. I'm Chris, the owner of Double Shot Cafe, a multi-venue operation with nearly 50 staff. My managers and I have special access to Urhere to be able to create rosters, manage wages, approve timesheets and control platform settings. Employees have access to Urhere to see their shifts and notifications via the Urhere mobile app. Urhere makes it easy for all my employees, allowing them to access their information from anywhere, and it means I have less phone calls, messages and emails about changing shifts and when am I working. I go to My Business, Employees, and I can see a summary of all of my employees. Under the employee summary, you can see who's got access to the employee app and who still needs an invitation. To ensure employees have access to the Urhere app, simply add the employee, ensure they have an email address, and send them an invite. Go to Manage and select Send App Invite. Once I send an invite, Urhere sends an email with a unique code. So this is the email that Jill receives. She opens her email, she takes note of her unique code, and she clicks on either Apple or the Google Store to install the app. After the Urhere app installs, Jill simply follows the steps to log in, entering her email address and her unique code. Now Jill has access to Urhere mobile app. She can reject and accept shifts, view all her upcoming shifts by month, week or day, and she can also receive notifications and loads more. Urhere also makes it easy for Jill to check in. She can click check-in if it's enabled, or use a QR check-in and scan the unique QR code for the e-kiosk. As the manager, Urhere gives me real-time visibility to manage all my staff. I can see when Jill has accepted her shifts. I can also see when Jill has checked in and if she's running late, whether she's on a break or if she's checked out and finished a shift, making it easy for me to monitor all our sites and employees while I'm on the go. Now you can sign up to Urhere, invite employees to use the app, keep track of all your team.